The Atlantic Ocean. Vast and serene. Its depths hold countless secrets. One such secret lies hidden, a slumbering giant far larger than imagination. It is the Appalachi Caldera, a volcano of unimaginable scale, dwarfing even the mightiest mountains on land. Its discovery sent shockwaves through the scientific community, a stark reminder of nature's raw power. This behemoth rests silently, concealed beneath miles of water. It is a force of nature capable of unleashing unimaginable destruction, yet for now it sleeps. The discovery of Appalachia was accidental. A team of marine geologists mapping the ocean floor stumbled upon an anomaly, a massive circular depression, hundreds of miles in diameter. Closer inspection revealed the truth. It wasn't a depression, it was a caldera. The scientific community was stunned. The sheer size of Appalachia was unprecedented. It dwarfed all known volcanoes, both above and below the sea. This discovery was a game-changer. It forced us to reevaluate our understanding of submarine geology and the Earth's hidden fury. Yellowstone National Park, home to geysers, hot springs, and a supervolcano. Its eruption would devastate the United States. Yet, even Yellowstone pales in comparison to Appalachia. Imagine a volcano so large, its eruption could alter the course of civilization. That is Appalachia. Its caldera dwarfs that of Yellowstone, a stark reminder of the unimaginable forces hidden beneath our feet. The energy released by an Appalachia eruption would be catastrophic, far exceeding anything humanity has ever witnessed. When giants stir, global cataclysm. The very mention of an Appalachia eruption sends shivers down the spine of scientists and laypeople alike. The consequences of an Appalachia eruption are terrifying. Imagine the ocean floor splitting open, releasing molten lava and toxic gases into the water. Tsunamis, dwarfing any in recorded history, would engulf coastlines across the globe. These waves, towering higher than skyscrapers, would crash into cities, obliterating everything in their path. Millions would be displaced, entire cities swallowed beneath the waves. The sheer force of the water would leave nothing but devastation in its wake. The ash cloud would blot out the sun, plunging the world into a volcanic winter. Temperatures would plummet. Crops would fail. The lack of sunlight would disrupt ecosystems, leading to a chain reaction of environmental collapse. Famine would grip the planet. With food supplies dwindling, desperation would set in, leading to widespread hunger and suffering. The global economy would collapse. Markets would crash. Businesses would fail, and financial systems would be thrown into chaos. The very fabric of society would unravel. Social order would break down, leading to chaos and anarchy in many regions. An Appalachia eruption wouldn't be a regional disaster. Its effects would be felt worldwide, touching every corner of the globe. It would be a global cataclysm, reshaping our world forever. The Earth as we know it would be irrevocably changed, leaving humanity to pick up the pieces in a new, harsher reality. Birth of a Titan. The making of Appalachia. This is the story of how one of the most formidable geological features on our planet came into existence. Appalachia's origins lie deep within the Earth, where the forces of nature work in ways that are both mysterious and awe-inspiring. Molten rock, rising from the mantle, created a massive magma chamber beneath the ocean floor. This process was slow and steady, taking thousands of years as the molten rock accumulated. Over millennia, this chamber grew, the pressure building until it could no longer be contained. The immense pressure was like a ticking time bomb, waiting for the right moment to explode. Then, in a cataclysmic event, it erupted, spewing forth unimaginable amounts of magma and ash. The eruption was so powerful that it altered the landscape of the ocean floor forever. The Earth's crust buckled and fractured, creating the massive caldera we now know as Appalachia. This caldera is a vast, sunken area that tells the tale of the violent forces that shaped it. The scars of this ancient eruption are still visible today, a testament to the raw power that lies dormant beneath the waves. These scars serve as a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our planet, a world where even the most stable-looking features can be the result of violent, transformative events. Sentinels of the Deep, monitoring a sleeping giant. Since its discovery, Appalachia has become a focal point for scientists worldwide. Monitoring stations have been deployed, their sensors constantly listening for any sign of activity. Every tremor, every change in pressure is meticulously analyzed. International cooperation is paramount. Data is shared freely, a collective effort to understand and prepare for the potential threat. The stakes are too high for anything less. The future of our planet may very well depend on our vigilance. A call to action, our shared destiny. In this chapter, we delve into the profound interconnectedness of our existence with the natural world. The discovery of Appalachia serves as a stark reminder of the immense power and unpredictability of nature. It is a testament to the dynamic forces that shape our planet. We are but tenants on this planet, sharing space with forces far beyond our control. The volcanic eruptions, the shifting tectonic plates, and the ever-changing landscapes remind us of our fragile existence. Respect for nature is not optional. It is a fundamental principle that must guide our actions and decisions. The beauty and ferocity of nature demand our reverence and humility. It is essential for our survival. Our ability to thrive on this planet hinges on our respect for the natural world and our commitment to preserving it. We must heed the warnings of our planet. The signs are all around us, from the rumblings beneath the Earth to the changes in our climate. Ignoring these warnings could be catastrophic. We must invest in research, in technology, in international cooperation. The challenges we face are global, and our response must be equally comprehensive and collaborative. We must prepare for the unthinkable. Natural disasters can strike without warning, and our preparedness can make the difference between devastation and resilience. For in the face of nature's raw power, our only hope lies in knowledge, vigilance, and a united front. The strength of our communities and the depth of our understanding are our greatest assets. The fate of humanity may very well depend on it. Our shared destiny is intertwined with the health of our planet, and it is our collective responsibility to safeguard it for future generations.